Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see all the products of the week and all our other videos that we've got coming up. Right, so this week's product of the week is, well, are these. And these are the liquid malt extracts you can use to create your own beers, or you can add them to like the single can beer kits or the pouches like the Mangrove Jack sort of kits to really enhance the beer kits you're using. So you could, for example, say you're doing a single can kit like a Tom Caxton and it says you need to add 1 kilo of sugar. Well, instead of adding the 1 kilo of sugar, start again. Instead of adding the 1 kilo of sugar, you could add something like this tin of light malt extract down here, and that will give it lots and lots and lots of extra body and flavour. Or you could use this one over here, which is the oats. So it will give you body, flavour, it will give you better head retention, and it will also give you a lot smoother beer. So one other thing you can do with these, and we've done videos on these as well, you could do, say, you could take a light hopped, and you could take a Vienna and you could put those two together into a 25 litre bucket, top it up to 23 litres, chuck in some Mittelfrüh hops or some Saaz hops, pop them in, ferment it over for a week, and then you'll have a fantastic lightly hopped Vienna malty type lager going on. Or you could do it with a Munich, or you could just do an oat and a wheat. We've got a wheat here, an oat and a wheat together. Add some really fantastic Citra, Mosaic, Amarillo, those sorts of hops, and you could make yourself a really, really fantastic craft beer style beer in about a week without all the hassle of having to mash your grains and everything like that. So these little tins, absolutely fantastic. You can make your own beer with them, or you can add them to a beer kit. Okay, now we've got to that product of the week, POTW, you need the code to do that. Pop that into your basket with these guys and we'll give you 10% off. So using the code POTW, product of the week, you'll get 10% off of these till the end midnight on Sunday. So get these into your basket, go and have a look at them, go and have a look at our videos to see what you can do with them. And yeah, if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below, happily answer, so that you can get these kits with your 10% off. Anyway, for now, cheers, happy brewing, and we will see you next time.